How long does it take you to recover mentally from meth addiction? Addiction is a brain disease that can compromise abstinence. People in recovery from methamphetamine addiction must commit to staying sober for their entire lives. And methamphetamine withdrawal can be a dangerous process for some, but this is primarily due to dehydration. As long as the person stays hydrated and eats a balanced diet, they can combat this, especially with medical help. The good news is, our team offers treatment options to provide relief from the meth withdrawal symptoms. Recovery is a lifelong process, and with a specialized program that includes behavioral therapies, group and individual counseling, pharmacological tools, relapse prevention education, and concurrent treatment for any medical and mental health concerns suited for you. You aren't alone. You deserve to get help. We are here to help you get clean and learn how to stay that way. Call us today. Does someone you love suffer from drug addiction? Don't wait until it's too late. Call our 24/7 helpline at 1-800-570-2259. A caring addiction specialist is awaiting your call.